How to add a text on lock screen on Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on a device. Next, scroll down and tap on the lock screen options available over here. As you do that, here you can see different options, but you cannot see the option of adding a text on lock screen. So what we're going to do is we can just go back and click a picture from your camera, and after clicking a picture on camera you can just launch the Canva application and just tap on the picture over here. Now as you tap on picture, here you can see the option of text. So tap on text and tap on add a text box, and as you do that you can just mention hey, and then after writing your necessary text on the picture, then you can just download the image over here. Now as you download this image over here, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Now as it has been downloaded, what you can simply do is just go to your gallery options, and as you go to your gallery options, select the image that you have just created, adding a text over here from the Canva application. So just tap on the image and then tap on the three dotted lines and then tap on set as wallpaper. And as you do that, you can just tap on apply and then tap on set as lock screen. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.